thing looks. I don't think it was designed to take it with the transmission.
I just fixed it. Side cutters are a wonderful thing. Well, good morning. Welcome to the Ontario Regiment Museum. As you can see, I'm John Tryon. You have a partner working under the Hanomag here. He is discovering lots of interesting things. This is really the first time we've been into this to pull an engine. So there's a lot of learning as we go. It's an air-cooled diesel, as you can see, and we've got the oil reservoir sitting out of it, the front armor's off and the hood's off, so we can get a better view of what we're dealing with here. But it's very much, for me, it's very new. This is the first time I've ever worked on one, so I am in the process of learning a lot of things I didn't know about Eastern European technology. It's interesting, it's simple, but and some of the really interesting ways that the Czechs have gone about designing this thing, there's some really neat things about it. So it's simple. Everything seems to be comprised of 19, 27, and 32 mil so far. And I look forward to getting a little further into this and seeing what we can see. Essentially what the issue is, this engine is a smoker. It smokes really, really badly. The mosquito population when we run it is at 0 in this neck of the woods in Ontario. And we have another engine to be put into it that one of our members is currently working on doing some investigation to see what condition it's in. The goal is give that engine whatever sort of attention it needs. We don't think it's a lot. Pull this one out, swap the flywheel, put the other one in, and then we'll rebuild this one. So that's sort of the game plan at this point. Things are subject to change and we're learning as we go. So if you want to keep following this, we're going to be doing some more updates as we go. Hit the like and subscribe button for the Ontario Regiment Museum on our YouTube page. And at tankmuseum.ca, we have the gift shop and our Facebook page, so please follow us. Thanks.